In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a customizing experience for Acuity Scheduling in our full 2025 guide. First, we'll kick things off by heading over to the Acuity Scheduling website. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to acuityscheduling.com. Once you're there, your next move will be to log into your account. Up at the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Be sure to have your username and password handy and just enter them into the respective fields. If this is your first time here, or if you can't remember your password, feel free to use the forgot password option to reset it. Once you're securely logged in, look for the scheduling page section. This is your main hub for all the exciting customizations we're about to dive into. Click on it, and onward, we proceed to the Styles section. Now this is where the real fun begins, as you'll have a chance to make the scheduling page truly yours. In the Styles tab, you'll be able to select your theme color, choose the fonts that best represent your brand, and ensure the button styles align with your overall aesthetic. It's all about making the scheduling experience as seamless and visually appealing as possible for your clients. If you have a logo, you'll want to upload it here to top things off. You'll also have the option to adjust the header image. While this step is optional, incorporating a logo or a specific image can significantly elevate the branding of your scheduling page, setting you apart from the competition. Now, let's not overlook the importance of text. Make sure to personalize the welcome message and any other text present on the page. This step allows you to convey the right tone and information to your clients from the onset. As you're designing, take advantage of the preview function to see the changes in real time. The preview option ensures that everything looks perfect before we commit to any changes. Once you're satisfied and everything looks just right, hit the save button to solidify your masterpiece. And finally, once your page is polished and ready to go, it's time to share it with your clients. Simply copy the link to your scheduling page and distribute it through your preferred channels. This could be email, social media, or directly through your website, whatever suits your needs best. And there you have it, a tailored, professionally styled Acuity scheduling page that's ready to impress your clients and streamline your booking process. Enjoy personalizing your scheduling experience, and thanks for tuning in.